Welcome to Rigit Machinery, where precision engineering meets vertical integration manufacture of plastic injection molding machines. Unlike conventional manufacturers who outsource critical components, we control every aspect of production, from raw material to finished machine. Our state-of-the-art facility represents the future of injection molding technology, where every casting, every steel part, and every assembly is designed, manufactured, and inspected under our roof. This isn't just manufacturing, it's precision redefined. The vertical integration advantage. What makes us different? True vertical integration. While others rely on external suppliers for castings and components, we handle everything in-house. Computer-aided design using UG/NX software. Advanced finite element analysis with ANSYS. Pattern making, casting, and precision machining. Comprehensive quality inspection at every stage. This complete control eliminates the quality compromises inherent in outsourced manufacturing, where dimensional variations and material inconsistencies often lead to premature machine failure. Our manufacturing excellence. Our production process sets new industry standards. Starting with pattern design, we use 5-axis machining centers to create precision wooden patterns with ±0.1 mm tolerance, ensuring perfect platen geometry. In our foundry, automated molding lines produce sand molds with 85 to 90 Shora hardness. Using electric arc furnaces, we melt steel to 1550 ±10 degrees C, employing vacuum casting technology to eliminate porosity and ensure material integrity. After casting, each component undergoes controlled heat treatment, 620 degrees Celsius for 8 hours with gradual cooling, to relieve internal stresses, resulting in parts that maintain dimensional stability for decades. Precision machining and quality control. Our commitment to precision continues in machining. CNC machining centers achieve ±0.005 positioning accuracy. Large guideway grinders produce surfaces with less than or equal to 0.01 mm/m flatness. Honing processes create hydraulic cylinder bores with raw less than or equal to 0.4 micrometers surface finish. Every critical component undergoes rigorous inspection using coordinate measuring machines with ±0.02 ohm accuracy, ensuring compliance with our exacting standards before assembly begins. The heavy-duty difference. This obsessive attention to detail translates to machines that deliver true heavy-duty performance. Guideways hardened to HRC 5055 with 2 to 3 mm depth. Structural components with tensile strength greater than or equal to 800 MPa. Hydraulic systems tested at 24 megapascals for 30 minutes with zero leakage. The result? Injection molding machines that maintain precise operation cycle after cycle, year after year, outperforming competitors by 30% in long-term reliability tests. While outsourced components often lead to premature wear and performance degradation, our integrated manufacturing ensures your machine maintains calibration and efficiency for the long haul. Why this matters for your production? For manufacturers like you, this means consistent part quality with minimal variation, extended machine lifespan with lower total cost of ownership, reduced downtime and maintenance requirements, confidence in meeting the most demanding production schedules. When precision and reliability are non-negotiable, our vertically integrated manufacturing process delivers the performance you can trust, today, tomorrow, and for years to come. If your production demands uncompromising precision, exceptional durability, and long-term stable operation, we invite you to experience the difference vertical integration can make. Contact our team today to discuss how our heavy-duty injection molding machines can transform your manufacturing capabilities and deliver a competitive edge for your business.